Area of triangle means we can find out area of the triangle ABC from the figure. Here ABC, in that A is the vertices of x1 comma y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3. Here we can draw the perpendicular lines to the x-axis and y-axis. Then the intersecting points are on y-axis means the intersecting points are STU and QPR. Here we can draw the perpendicular lines. From that we can measure the distances. Here BQ distance is y2, AP distance is y1, CR distance is y3. OQ distance is x2, OP distance is x1, OR distance is x3. Here we can find out the area of the ABC means first we can draw the trapeziums. That is, we get from the figure BQPA is a trapezium, APRC is a trapezium. In that, the area of the trapezium means the adding of these two trapeziums in that ABC triangle is there. But here we can find out area of the triangle means from these two trapeziums we can draw the other trapezium, that is BQRC. So in this trapezium, the sum of two trapeziums getting the ABC included, we get or we can calculate only area of the triangle means this trapezium is subtract from the sum of the two trapeziums, so we are getting only area of the triangle ABC. Before of the finding of area of the triangle ABC, we can find the area of the trapeziums. The formula of the area of the trapeziums is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Here, how to find out the area of the triangle ABC means that area of triangle ABC is equal to half into area of trapezium BQPA plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. From this, we can write from the formula of the trapezium of BQPA. Here BQPA are the two parallel sides, one pair parallel sides, and the distance between these two parallel sides. BQ distance is, we know that it is y2, AP distance is, it is y1, and the distance between of these two are x2, x1 minus x2. So it is, from this we can write OP is x1 minus OQ is x2. In the same way, AP distance is y1, CR distance is y3. The distance between of the OR minus OP is, that is x3 minus x1. And here BQ distance is y2, CR distance is y3. The distance between these two parallel sides distance is x3 minus x2. These values substitute in the formula of trapeziums 3, in that the sum of the two parallel sides is y2 plus y1 into distance is x1 minus x2 plus the second trapezium is y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1 minus third trapezium is 1 by 2 into y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x2. Now we can simplify these trapeziums. Then we are getting the area of the triangle ABC. That area of the triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 is taking common from the all terms. Then multiply each and every term, that is y2 minus y2 into x1 minus y2 x2 plus y1 x1 minus y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1 minus y2 x3 minus y2 x2 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x2. Then simplify 1 by 2 into y2 x1 minus y2 x2 plus y1 x1 minus y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1. This minus y1 x1 plus y1 x1 cancel, plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1 minus y2 x3 plus y2 x2 plus y2 x2 minus y2 x2 cancel, minus y3 x3, this minus y3 x3 plus y3 x3 cancel, minus into minus plus y3 x2. Next, here we can take in common x1 from the two terms, that is y2 minus y3, plus x2 is taking common, that is y3 minus y1, plus x3 is taking common, y1 minus y2. It is the area of the triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Area is always positive. So, mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You have to remember in easy way, x1, x2, x3 are the multiples of the differences of y variables, and you can remember 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Order is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Then you get easy to remember the area of the triangle ABC. This is the formula of the area of the triangle ABC. It is very, very important. And if three points are on the same line, then we say that points are collinear. Collinear means coincide on the same line, then that is called as collinear. If the points are collinear points, then area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. When the points are collinear points, then area of that ABC points area must be 0. Why? Because the 3 points are on the same line, A, B, C. So, in that no forming of the ABC and no area of ABC. No area means that is nothing but the 3 points are on the same line, means the area is equal to 0 of the triangle ABC. Then we can say that 3 points are collinear points. It is very, very important note. You have to remember, it will come in the bits. Okay. The next formula of the area of the triangle by using of Heron's formula, in that we can take the triangle ABC, A and A is the x1 comma y1, B is the x2 comma y2, C is the x3 comma y3, or the vertices of the triangle ABC. In this, small a is the length of the BC side, small b is the length of the CA side, small c is the length of the AB side. Here, the area of the triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. By using of this formula also, we can find out the area of the triangle when they have given the sides lengths of the triangle ABC. Okay, in these two formulas are there, area of the triangle. One is using of the vertices, another one is using of the lengths of the side of the triangle ABC, lengths of the sides of the triangle ABC. Okay. The exercise 7.3, the first problem is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. In this, the first one we can taking as, let A is equal to 2 comma 3, B equal to minus 1 comma 0, C is equal to 2 comma minus 4. And we can take as x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and x3 comma y3. Here we can find out area of the triangle. We know that the formula of area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and apply these values in the formula of triangle ABC. We are getting 1 by 2 into x1 is 2 into y2 is 0, y3 is minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, plus x2 is minus 1, y3 is minus 4, y1 is 3, that is minus 3, plus x3 is 2, y1 is 3, minus y2 is 0. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 4s are 8. Here minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 7, minus into minus plus 1 7s are plus 7, 2 3s are 6. It is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21 by 2 units. That is area of the triangle ABC. For the second problem, similar to the first one only, here let A is equal to minus 5 comma minus 1, B equal to 3 comma minus 5, C equal to 5 comma 2. Here also it is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3. Apply in the area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is minus 5 into y2 is minus 5 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 is 2 minus y1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus 5, minus into minus plus 5. It is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 is 4. It is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus into minus plus 7 5s are 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. It is equal to 35 plus 20 55, 55 plus 9 is 64 by 2. It is equal to 32 units. Third one is let A equal to 0 comma 0, B equal to 3 comma 0 and C equal to 0 comma 2. Here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Apply in the formula of area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is 0, y2 is 0, minus y3 is 2, plus x2 is 3, y3 is 2, minus y1 is 0, plus x3 is 0 into y1 is 0 minus y2 is 0. Then it is equal to 1 by 2, 0 into something is 0, 3 2s are 6, plus 0 into something is 0. It is equal to 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 3s are, it is equal to 3 units. Okay, this is the way how to find out the area of the triangle ABC.